Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image black and white in Canva. Whether you're looking to create a timeless classic look for your photos or simply want to focus the viewer's attention on the subject without the distraction of color, converting your image to black and white is an excellent approach. Let's dive in and transform your images with ease using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform. First off, you'll need to have your image ready in Canva. Assuming you're already logged into your Canva account, go ahead and open the project that contains the image you want to convert. Once you're in the project, find your image on the canvas. Simply click on the image to select it. You'll notice that the image becomes highlighted and a toolbar appears for further editing options. Now that your image is selected, the next step is to start editing. Look for an option or button labeled Edit in the toolbar that appears, usually located above the canvas. Click on this Edit button to access a range of editing features. Within the editing interface, find the Filters option. Filters are an essential tool in Canva that can dramatically alter the look of your images. Clicking on Filters will open up a new panel where you'll find different filter choices that can be applied to your image. After selecting filters, scroll through the available options until you see the mono filter. The mono filter is specifically designed to create a monochrome black and white effect on your photo, seamlessly removing all color. It's usually located towards the bottom of the filter list, so be sure to scroll down patiently until it appears. Once you've found the mono filter, it's time to apply it to your image. You may notice variations or different styles under the monochrome category. These options provide different levels of contrast and detail within the black and white spectrum. Choose the one that best matches the look and feel you're aiming for. Selecting a filter will instantly apply it to your image, allowing you to see the changes in real time. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully converted your image to black and white using Canva. This process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your photos, but also helps streamline the focus and mood, making it perfect for a variety of creative projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to experiment with other filters and effects in Canva to create even more striking visuals.